A very good morning, children, and today we are going to start with the first chapter of science, class 8. It's very interesting. Class 8 science is very interesting. Science as it is very interesting, but in class 8 you will 7th you have studied about various systems, है ना? But in class 8 you will be focusing on more like things which are all around you, and the first chapter that we are going to begin is crop production and management. Last 6 to 8 months our country went through some big agitations. You need to know about it. You need to go in detail about it. It's very important for you to know what is happening. Your education does not limit to the pen paper. Your education should be limited to the sky. I mean, sky should be the limit for your education, right? So the word comes crop. Many of you might have visited your villages. Many of you must have worked in the fields also, you know, and many of you have, got the chance to look the life of somebody. Who is that somebody? We are going to find out from close, right? And this chapter we will basically study about the process which makes us keep happy. For instance, if you are hungry and you have been asked to play, which you love to do, but if you are hungry, will you be able to play? No. You love to watch movies, you love to play games, video games, but you have not eaten anything since morning. Will you be able to do that? हिंदी में एक कहावत है, भूखे पेट ना भजन गोपाला. मतलब अगर आपका if you are hungry, even your mind will not focus to worship God. है ना? So what do we eat? We eat food. Fine. आपने बोला we eat food. Food कहाँ से आता है? You have studied in class 6 plant sources, animal sources, right? Plant sources. आपने कहा I have a small kitchen garden. You think you can grow everything in that garden? No. है ना? तो on larger scale, now come to the chapter. On larger scale, there are certain people, we call them farmers, right? And they grow crop for us. So children, it's not an easy thing to grow crop. It requires lot of hard work, lot of sweat, है ना? Lot of stress also, because due to climatic changes, at times there is no rain, dry weather, at times there are floods, right? So it's not easy to grow crops. Again, I'll bring you back to the general knowledge that you have seen that in the past 6-8 months there was this agitation by farmers against the rules. But to be precise, you need to know that those rules are actually in favor of the farmers. When I will be touching this part, I will be telling you how these Krishi rules are actually in favor to the farmers. आपको ये जानना बहुत ज़रूरी है. You are a big child now, or you all are big children, and it's important for you to know what is right and what is wrong. ठीक है? तो crop production and management. You all have visited village, must have, most of you. You have seen the people growing crops in the huge field, है ना? तो whenever we grow a particular plant at a large scale, we call it a crop. अभी ये आएगी definition. तो first of all, these are the people who work in the field to grow food for us are known as farmers. We should have all the respect for them. जय जवान जय किसान. हमारे देश के जो सेकंड प्रधानमंत्री थे लाल बहादुर शास्त्री, उन्होंने ये नारा दिया था, इंडिया वाज हैविंग अ वॉर विद पाकिस्तान एंड द कंट्री नीडेड मनी एंड टू फाइट द वॉर, इट्स अ वेरी एक्सपेंसिव थिंग. सो ये नारा आया था जय जवान जय किसान. एक्चुअली if there is food on your plate, thanks to the farmer. You all are Fauji kids. We are, even I have Fauji background. If we are sitting peacefully in our houses, thanks to the soldiers. So that goes Jai Jawan Jai Kisan. Let's come back to the topic and agricultural practices. India is an agriculture-based country, है ना? The main profession of our country still till date we have developed. हमने science and technology में बहुत ज़्यादा growth करी है, but still we are an agriculture-based country. Still the 60% of our population till date, between 50 and 60 it is the data says, is still involved in farming practices, right? So how does it happen? अगर हम बेटा keep your mic off. I'm recording a video. Thank you. I'll do one thing. I'll mute all and you are not going to unmute yourself. I can't see myself. Okay. Let's come back to the topic. Please do not disturb the class. Okay. So if we see the agricultural practices, it's very interesting to know that when man came into existence, है ना? The theory says that life originated in water, and then there was evolution, and in that evolution, eventually from monkeys, from the animals like chimpanzee, you know, we got evolved. Man got evolved. Even then, man was a nomad, है ना? Nomadic था, और जहाँ खाना मिला वहीं रुक गए, खाना खाया. Suppose तब तो इतना कंस्ट्रक्शन था नहीं, है ना? Suppose वो फॉरेस्ट के किसी एरिया में थे जहाँ पर कि उन्हें बहुत सारे फ्रूट्स वगैरह मिल रहे थे, छोटे छोटे एनिमल्स थे. विद द डिस्कवरी ऑफ द फायर, आप समझ लो कैसे फायर की डिस्कवरी हुई होगी. कुछ स्क्रैच किया होगा बहुत ड्राई सनलाइट में और स्पार्क निकला होगा, उससे फायर डिस्कवर करी. मैन डिस्कवर्ड फायर एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड, you know, with the friction of two stones they started generating spark fire. Maybe उस फायर में कुछ एनिमल्स जल गए होंगे. It's a hypothesis but very much acceptable. और वो जला हुआ रैबिट सपोज था, खाया होगा तो it must have tasted better. या कुछ आलू थे जो पक गए थे उस आग में. Then man thought that okay, with the help of fire we can cook food and definitely it tastes better. So they were nomads. वो एक एरिया में रहते थे जब तक वहाँ के फल वगैरह उनको खाने को मिलते रहते थे. They used to be happy और वो वहाँ पर रुकते थे. But the moment उस जगह का खाना पीना ख़त्म हो जाता था, they used to shift. That is the nomadic life. Then slowly, maybe in that area they must have thrown some seeds, and from those seeds new plants must have originated. So man must have thought of farming. And they decided कि ऐसे घूम घूम के फिर से घर नया बनाना पड़ रहा है, शेल्टर नहीं ढूंढनी पड़ रही है, इट्स बेटर वी स्टे एट वन प्लेस। और ये वाले सीड्स ही हैं, इनको ग्रो करो तो इस तरह के नए पौधे आ जाते हैं। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट sticking to a place and growing these plants. This was, children, the beginning of farming. फार्म जब उनके ऐसे उन्होंने एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिसेस शुरू करी, फिर तो यू नो मैन इज सो इंटेलिजेंट। आज अगर आईफोन का नया मॉडल लॉन्च होता है तो people have started working on the next version, the better version, right? So similarly man is very intelligent, है ना? तो man must have developed the agricultural techniques. When you will study about Harappa and Mohenjo-daro civilization in your history, you will also learn about that even that time, so many thousands of years back, man had the knowledge of farming, man was doing farming, they had the equipments like shovel, kurpi, plow, etc. They used to store the grains in the earthen pots. हमारी civilization बहुत पुरानी है, we are such highly intelligent people. The moment we think that there is some advantage to us, we start encashing it, we start making it much better. ठीक है? So this is how the agricultural practices start. And very important thing is here, what is a crop? When plants of the same kind are grown and cultivated at one place on a large scale, it is called a crop. Please underline this. This is giving you the definition of what is crop, right? Let's move. आप अपने notes बनाते रह सकते हैं. Then you can write all these things, right? And you know our country, we are proud to be an Indian. Should be, right? Our country is vast. You know, north we have mountains, west side we have the desert, right hand side we have the terrains, center we have plains, the huge Gangetic plains, and then we have plateau. Down south we have coastal areas. Wow, what a country to live in, isn't it? There is no country in the world which is like our country, right? So we have variety of geographical condition. I named you 5-6 geographical condition. Depending upon the geography, the place has same climatic condition, है ना? Depending upon the geography of the place, भाई राजस्थान है, ड्राई एंड एरिड वेदर है, will you expect that Rajasthan will have heavy rainfall? No. High mountains,
No,
yes, high mountains, Jammu and Kashmir, do you expect that the weather will be very dry there? Trust me, you will not find any air condition there. Throughout the year the weather is so good, है ना? सो वो क्रॉप्स वहाँ पर नहीं ग्रो करेंगी जिन्हें बहुत ड्राई एंड हीट टेम्परेचर चाहिए. सो डिपेंडिंग अपॉन द क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस, आवर कंट्री हैज डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ क्रॉप्स grown in different region. Broadly we divide them into two categories, but we'll discuss one more here. Broadly we divide them into kharif crops and rabi crops. You have an idea about this, but again let us study. Kharif crops, what are they? The crops which are sown in the rainy season are called kharif crops. The rainy season in India is generally from June to September. Paddy, paddy means rice. बहुत अच्छी बात है कि we have synonyms and I love to call them by that names. So we have paddy, the rice, maize, makkah, soybean, the richest source of protein, groundnut, cotton, etc. These are kharif crops. Kharif crops needs lot of. Beta, keep yourself mute. am so sorry, I have to mute you all now. You cannot unmute yourself. Okay, discipline is very important, right? So kharif crops in India, rainy season is basically it begins from June, है ना. आपने ज्योग्राफी में भी पढ़ा होगा कि किस तरफ से एयर प्रेशर जनरेट होता है, तो किस तरफ से विंड्स आती हैं, एंड दोज विंड्स ब्रिंग रेन. नॉर्थ में हिमालय है जो कि हवाओं को रोकता है, एंड देन द प्लेन्स रिसीव द रेन, राइट. सो वी कॉल इट मॉनसून. इंडिया में क्या है? मॉनसून है. सो in monsoon season we get rainy season, and only those crops are grown here which require more water, right. Next we have rabi crops. The crops which are grown in the winter season, they are known as rabi crop. Their time period is generally from October to March. So nice. हमारे देश में मार्च के महीने में कितने सारे क्रॉप फेस्टिवल्स होते हैं. होली इज अ क्रॉप फेस्टिवल, बैसाखी इज अ क्रॉप फेस्टिवल, पोंगल इज अ क्रॉप फेस्टिवल, ओनम इज अ क्रॉप फेस्टिवल. कब होता है? मार्च अप्रैल, है ना. तिथि के हिसाब से डेट आती है. क्यों? क्योंकि ये क्रॉप्स जो हैं अब खेत में पक के रेडी हैं, उनकी हार्वेस्टिंग हो रही है. बहुत सारी बातें हम लोग पढ़ेंगे क्रॉप मैनेजमेंट में. एंड व्हाट आर दीज क्रॉप्स? दीज आर व्हीट, ग्राम, पी, मस्टर्ड एंड लिनसीड. चिल्ड्रन, जब भी आपको दिक्कत हो याद करने में, मुझे पता है बहुत सारे बच्चों को कंफ्यूजन होता है कि किस क्रॉप को हम किस समय एसोसिएट करें, राइट. तो आप इमेजिन करो कि मस्टर्ड यू सी इन द विंटर सीजन, राइट. पीले पीले सरसों वाले खेत. चना और मटर, आजकल हरे चने बड़े आते हैं, है ना. मटर किस सीज़न में आती है? वैसे तो आजकल हर सीज़न में आती है, बट सस्ती मटर कब आती है? क्योंकि उस समय प्रोडक्शन ज़्यादा होता है विंटर्स में. सो दिस इज़ हाउ यू कैन एसोसिएट, एंड इट हेल्प्स यू टू रिमेंबर इट प्रॉपरली, ठीक है. So the rabi crops are wheat, gram, pea, mustard and linseed, right. Apart from these, there are pulses. Vegetables are grown during summer at many places. क्योंकि बहुत वैरायटी है तो सीजन के हिसाब से. Then these days we are preparing hybrid seeds which can be grown in any season, but normally in normal condition we broadly divide our country on the basis of monsoon. We divide the crops into two categories, broad categories, kharif crop and rabi crop. I will also ask you to write an extra note, that is jayad, JAYAD, jayad. जायद की भी फसल होती है, क्रॉप होती है. दिस इज ग्रोन इन द मंथ ऑफ अप्रैल, मई, जून, जब बहुत गर्मी पड़ती है. एंड व्हाट आर द स्पेशल फीचर्स? द क्रॉप्स विच कम इनटू जायद आर बेसिकली योर कुकुम्बर, ककड़ी, वाटरमेलन, मेलन्स, है ना. These are the part of the jayad crop. It is not mentioned there, but I am telling you that. Moreover, I am telling you to basically clear this concept, because what are the concept based questions? The concept based questions are like, why can't we grow wheat in the season of kharif crops? Why can't we grow it? Okay, I'll unmute yourself. You can think and answer it. I'm unmuting, but then you will behave properly. I'll just ask the child, only that child is going to answer. Right, you all can answer me. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Who knows that why we cannot grow wheat crop during the kharif season? Who can answer this? Riya. Okay, Riya, give it a try. question is, why can't we grow wheat crop during the Kharif season? Okay, Shikha, answer it.
Ma'am, we cannot grow wheat crop during Kharif season because during Kharif season, it is the rainy season, and wheat does not need more water. Like paddy is a crop that needs more water, that is why paddy is grown in Kharif season, but wheat does not.
Excellent. Excellent. I think we need to clap for her. Very good. Children, these are the concept-based questions which may be asked. Like I can always ask you, excellent, let me explain the answer. Wheat does not require that amount of water. So if we even try to grow wheat during the Kharif season, the roots will get rot because the roots will have more water and they will get rot and the plant will eventually die. Okay. So इसी तरह से I can ask you why rice cannot be grown during the Rabi season. Rice required more water. Rabi season does not have more water. इस तरह से कोई भी पूछा जा सकता है. The point is your concept should be clear so that you can answer it properly. Excellent answer, Shikha. I am very glad that many of you raised hands and you guys are paying attention. So today I'll teach you till here, and please read the chapter. I've already told you in science you are going to make a copy which should be interleave, and another thing and homework I am giving you today is just write down the 5 dishes of your choice and just write that in which season they are grown. Either they are Rabi crop or they are Kharif crop, right? So this is how you are going to clear your understanding. We read the 2 pages which we have studied today, and if there is a doubt, definitely you can write it under the video. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. Happy learning.